Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. Josmo makes an excellent pair of boys' dress shoes. These are in chocolate brown. They're a size 1, and I love the detail of these. This is a faux leather on the outside. It has a rubber sole, and it is very easy to wipe these clean. A feature that I absolutely love, and maybe you will too, if you've bought boys' dress shoes before, they can be very stiff. But what I love about these is the quality, and yet you can easily bend these. And for little kids, that's really important for them to feel comfortable, I have found. I also appreciate the quality of the laces. They are very well made. It has a comfortable insole, and it has a nice grip over here on the bottom. And the detail on this is so nice. It looks like a very high-end, expensive shoe. My son absolutely loves these. This chocolate brown color goes with so many different outfits, different styles. You can dress these up, or you can wear these with some shorts and dress it down. We do end up dressing up a lot in our family, so these have been worn already quite a bit, and they are very comfortable. My son does not complain at all wearing these. He loves to put these on, and that is saying something because he can be kind of picky about his shoes. So if you're looking for a pair of great dress shoes for your son, then I would definitely recommend these. 10 out of 10. They're an excellent product, and they have a variety of colors that I think you will really like, but that's just my point of view.